Hello and welcome to Connecticut Backcountry. I'm Gary. Today I came out to my shelter to make a table so I had a place to keep my food and stuff up off the ground while I'm working, and I made myself a steak sandwich. Pretty tasty steak sandwich with some roasted red peppers and some caramelized onions, some pepper jack cheese. Came out good. Here's your fire. Oh. I brought my grill up. I'm going to throw that on the fire and make a steak sandwich. So I'm going to toss some peppers on the grill, right on the grill. Get them roasted up, break them open a little bit so they lay a little flatter. And then I'm going to throw them right on the grill. We'll just take the skins off as best we can. Sometimes they scrape right off. Perfect. There you go. I don't mind a little bit of that char stuck on there. Skin protects the flesh underneath, so that doesn't burn up. Kind of steams and becomes smoky and goodness. We're going to start the onions now. Whole bunch of butter. A whole bunch of onions. Start by grilling a roll. Whole bunch of garlic. We get that melted right on the steak. Some pepper jack cheese. Oh yeah. Smell all that roasted garlic. Cheese. The sandwich is magical. Thanks for joining me. It's nice to get up here. I haven't had much time to get up here lately. Especially getting that table built. It's going to make cooking up here so much easier. Cooking things like that steak sandwich. That steak sandwich was nice. It was a good sandwich. Especially with those roasted red peppers and those caramelized onions. Picked up that smoky flavor from the fire. Wonderful. If you like the look of that sandwich, smash that like button. Subscribe, because there's going to be more videos like that coming, especially since I got up here to make that table today. So, thanks for joining me. You have a good day.